But first, under attack. A staff member at the Arizona State Hospital says conditions within that building are downright chilling. That is where we begin on a busy Thursday night. Thanks for joining Arizona's Family. I'm Sean McLaughlin.
I'm Jamie Serretta. That whistleblower who wants to remain anonymous says 2 patients have died by suicide there in the last 3 weeks and blames the problems on staffing shortages. Holly Bach is live in Phoenix. Holly, what did the hospital say about staffing?
Jamie, a hospital spokesperson says right now there are 82 openings, however, that they are hiring contracted workers to try to meet that staffing need. But on the other hand, an employee we spoke with today who wanted to remain anonymous says that they have never seen a hospital be run so poorly. This person says that 2 people took their lives within the last 3 weeks, something they believe could have been prevented if there was more staff.
There needs to be major changes.
And Arizona State Hospital workers saying conditions are so dire at the moment, patients inside are attacking one another, attacking staff, and even taking their own lives.
We lost 2 lives. Not acceptable.
According to incident reports, 1 person in the forensic hospital died from suicide by scissors. The other person in the civil hospital died from intentional choking, both within the last month.
I feel in my heart both of these could have been prevented. If you have enough staff, there were plenty of clues.
Valley attorney Holly Giesel says the forensic area is where people go if they have committed a crime. The civil side is where one goes if a court has determined the person is too mentally ill to live alone. The employee we spoke with says they are underpaid and short-staffed, which means fewer eyes on the patients.
Every unit is down 2 or 3 people, and it is scary and it is dangerous. To pay the staff as much as you're paying people that work at a fast food restaurant when we are taking care of the sickest patients in Arizona, that is terrible.
Attorney Holly Giesel says a handful of both patients and staff from the hospital have called her with concerns following these suicides. She too believes there is not enough money or workers in the hospital. A spokesperson with the Arizona Department of Health Services says they cannot comment about any recent incidents because it will violate privacy laws.
It's not an easy place to work, but all of us really have a passion for the mentally ill.
The employee we spoke with says something needs to be done before more people quit and more incidents occur.
We are unsafe. We feel unsafe.
Now, I did also reach out to Governor Ducey's office to see if they are aware of these incidents or if there are any plans to add funding into the state hospital. I have not yet heard back, but once we do, we will make sure to keep you updated. Live in Phoenix tonight, Holly Bach for Arizona's Family.